Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Acer Nitro 5 without power button. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If the power button on your Acer Nitro 5 is not functioning, there are a few alternative ways to turn on your laptop. The first is use the charging cable or AC adapter. Some laptops will power on automatically when plugged into a power source, especially if the battery is completely drained. Try plugging your Acer Nitro 5 into AC adapter and see it if power up on its own. Number 2 is use the keyboard shortcut if supported. Certain Acer models support turning on the laptop via a key press. Hold the power key on the keyboard on some models, holding down the control plus escape keys or holding the function key plus power key might run on the laptop. This is not universally supported, but it's worth trying. Number 3 is sort the power button pins for advanced users. If you are comfortable with opening your laptop and performing hardware work, you can sort the power button pins on the motherboard, power off the laptop completely and remove the battery. Open the back panel to locate the power button header on the motherboard. Use a conductive tool such as screwdriver to briefly breach the power button pins. This mimics pressing the power button and should turn on the laptop. This method should be used with caution as it involves dealing with internal components of your laptop. And the last method is reset the laptop. If you suspect a hardware issue or something is preventing from restarting, you can perform a hard reset. Disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 30 seconds to drain and restore your power. Reconnect the battery and plug the charger back in. Then try turning on the laptop again. And that's basically some of the ways that you can do or apply when your power button doesn't work, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.